So after learning how to make dimensional formula, we are starting with the topic applications. Applications of the dimensional analysis. The first application is to check correctness of formula. Now, since we have started learning science, we came across so many formulas. With the help of dimensional analysis, what you can do, you can check the correctness. Either the formula was given to you was correct or not. For example, let us say V is equal to U plus AT. This formula we learned in class 9, the equation of motion V is equal to U plus AT. Now, how you can check that this formula that was told told to you in class 9 is correct or not. Now, V is speed. Now, if you remember the last video, dimension of speed is LT minus 1. So, make after writing the formula, just give the dimensions to it. This is the LHS part. LT minus 1 is equal to U is again speed. U is also LT minus 1 plus acceleration. Acceleration dimension is LT minus 2 into T. Dimension of T is T. So if you solve it, what you get? You get LT minus 1 in LHS, that is left hand side. And in right hand side, what you get? You get LT minus 1. You cannot solve anything here in this bracket. LT minus 1 remains LT minus 1 plus. Now what happens here? This T and this is minus 2. So minus 2 plus 1 makes it minus 1. That will give LT minus 1. So in RHS, what you are getting LT minus 1 plus LT minus 1. See, the basic algebra does not work here. Like x plus x becomes 2x. So LT minus 1 plus LT minus 1 will not make it 2 LT minus 1. In dimension, when two dimensions are added, two same dimensions are added, it gives the same dimension. For example, L plus L would give you L only. T plus T will give you T only. So similarly, LT minus 1 plus LT minus 1 would give you LT minus 1. Now if you see on both sides, LT minus 1 equal to LT minus 1. Dimension are same on both sides. That means that formula is correct. Let us take for example one more formula that was taught to you, that is S is equal to UT plus half AT square, where S was the distance traveled by the body. So you have to check this formula is correct or incorrect. Okay, so let us get the dimensions. Distance is L, so this is L in left hand side. Okay, equal to UT. U is speed, that is LT minus 1. LT minus 1 into T plus half. Half does not have any dimension. So you can, so half does not have any dimension. A is acceleration. So dimension of acceleration is LT minus 2. T square. T square would be T square only. So in LHS, what you have only L. That is length, dimension of length. Now if you solve here, what you get? This T minus 1 and this T cancel out each other. That is L plus T minus 2 and T square cancel again. That is again L. And L plus L would give you L only. As I told you, in dimension, the mathematical rule does not apply. That is x plus x gives 2x. No, we have L plus L equal to L only. The logic behind this is, for example, if I am adding two lengths, for example, 2 meter and 3 meter, what would I get? I would get 5 meter only. So meter would not change to twice of meter. Meter would remain meter only. So L plus L is L only.